Hello everyone, my name is Valeria, and today I'm going to share with you an intriguing creature called the vinegar eel. Despite their name, these eels are actually microscopic worms, so they're really tiny. The common and scientific name, they're commonly called vinegar eels, but their scientific names is Turbotrax acidi, also previously called Anguillar acidi, which I wrote right here. This is the worm, by the way. I drew it by myself. Natural habitat. Vinegar eels thrive in fermenting acidic environments. For instance, unpasteurized cider vinegar, fermenting apples, spoiled wine, or acidic lakes. They can tolerate pH levels as low as 1.6 to as high as 11. So that's cool. That's kind of cool. Feeding, they feed primarily on bacteria and yeast, the microbial mother of vinegar that appears during fermentation. They use their simple mouth to ingest these microorganisms. So yeah. Now about predators and prey relationships. Vinegar eels are preyed upon by small aquatic predators like fish. In ecosystem or cultures where small fish are present, well, they act as natural life food source, so yeah, that makes sense. Unique traits and adaptations. They are a milliliter long, about 1 or 2 millimeters, roughly like 1/16 inches, in length, which translucent bodies and eel-like undulating motion. So yeah. Another trait about them is that they synchronize their swimming. They synchronize their swimming when in high concentrations, thousands gathering in droplet beings. Like they're in union and basically, so it's much like a stadium wave, kind of like when everybody's like waving stuff like that. They're synchronized like that, so that's pretty cool. Now we're gonna talk about position on the tree of life. Vinegar eels are kingdom. They're Animalia, phylum, they're Nematoda, class Cyprinaceae, order, I don't know how to say this one, Rabitidia, family is Panagralomidia, I don't know how to say it, sorry guys. Genus, species, we already covered that. They're called Turbotrax acidi. So yeah. And ecological and human importance. Ecologically, vinegar eels play a role in nutrient cycling by consuming bacteria and yeast, contributing to decomposing and fermenting an ecosystem. Basically, I already said that. To humankind, they're actually harmless. They're non-parasitic. They can actually be useful. Aquarium hobbyists culture them as live food and fish fry. They're also easy to culture for classroom studies and like biology like ours. They have been used in research on aging and DNA repair because their predictably lifespan like about 10 months and are visible development make them ideal model organisms. So they have such a short life, so it's easy to see like the development in such a short amount of time. So basically in conclusion, yeah, a tiny worm with big scientific and ecological importance. Turbotrax acidi, the vinegar eel, from their unique synchronization behavior to their role in the fermentation ecology. They're fascinating subjects actually. They're fun to study of, and yeah, thanks for watching. I got my resource from Taxonomy, Habitat, Feeding Habits, Lifespan, and let me check. Media.vwr and Laboratory Observation and Collective Swimming Behaviors in the University of Rochester, and Ecological Roles Used as Fish Food Research Application in the Aquarium Breeder website. So, thank you.